Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I've got this Honda XR150L, and we want to talk to you about what we feel is a very necessary upgrade, which is the Tusk Aluminum Skid Plate. This bike does not come with a skid plate. Now Honda does make one for it, but it's just made of plastic. This skid plate from Tusk is made from 3/16 aircraft grade aluminum. You can see it gives you awesome coverage front to back, side to side. There's a cutout right here for your drain bolt access. And to install it, it's very, very simple. You just have two tabs or brackets that go to the frame in the back and then just a spacer here in the front. All the hardware comes included and it bolts right on. So very easy to put on, very easy to take off if you want to do some maintenance on the bike. But we've done a bike build on this motorcycle that you can go watch, and it goes through everything that we have done to it. But if you're going to be doing any sort of aggressive riding off-road and you want to protect the bottom of your bike, this is the skid plate to get. If you have questions or comments about it, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab it, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And as always, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.